So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to produce the beep sound with the help of Java programming language. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to open our compiler, which is intellij IDEA. So double click on it and we got open our compiler. Now we need to go to file, we need to go to new, we need to click on project. So here we can write the name of the project is beeper, and we also make sure that either our JDK has been properly installed or not. So our JDK, that is Temoran 25, has been installed properly. So click on create. So click on this window. Now this window, the compiler has already made the sample code for us, so we need to delete it out. So now here we will write our code to produce the beep sound. So here we will write import java dot awt dot toolkit. So this is our first class. This toolkit class actually provides us the function of beep. So that is why we have imported it out with the help of import command. So import java.awt.toolkit. Then we will write public class main, public class main, main. Main is the name of our class, which is our main class, and it must be the same with the file name. Okay, it must be same with the file name. So we have written this public class main. Okay, and this is the generic syntax of the Java. Whatsoever you are supposed to write within the Java code, you are supposed to write this public class main and public static void main function. So these two lines are very necessary. So here we will write public static void main. We will write public static void main. And here we will write string args, arguments, string arguments. Now we have opened the body of the void main function. And why we have written this public and static? Because we want to fetch our main function from everywhere. It is now public. It is now a public function. So these two are the generic lines of the Java code, so we are supposed to write these out. Now after this has been done, we will write toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get default toolkit. Dot get default toolkit function is the part of this toolkit measure library, is the part of this measure library. Okay, and now beep. Now beep function is there. Beep function is there. So this is our main. This is our code. So this is a very simple code. And now one more thing, that this beep function actually belongs to this dot get default toolkit function, and this get default toolkit function actually belongs to this toolkit main library or class. Okay, so now we will run it out. And now you got our beep has been generated. Different computer may have different beep sound, but here we have this alarming beep sound. So that is why like this. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can produce the beep sound with the help of Java programming language. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.